name is Logan Raj. I'm from DQ2B and I'm from Group 8. And today I'm going to be explaining what is a transistor as a semiconductor device. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals. It has three layers of semiconductor materials forming two p-n junctions, arranged as either NPN or PNP types. These layers connect to three terminals: the emitter, which injects charge carriers; the base, a thin central layer that controls the flow; and the collector, which collects carries from the emitter. A small current at the base can control a much larger current between the emitter and collector. Amplifiers, switches, and digital logic circuits in computers and electronic devices. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Paitran. I am from class DQ2B representing group 8. A transistor is a semiconductor device that amplifies or switches electronic signals. It is commonly made from silicon and has three main parts: emitter, base and collector in bipolar junction transistor, or source, gate and drain in a field effect transistor. By using a small input current or voltage at the base or gate, it controls a larger current between the other two terminals. This property makes transistor essential in electronic circuits, serving as building blocks for amplifiers, digital logic, computers, and various communication systems.
So today I want to tell you guys about what is a transistor. Transistor is a semiconductor device that controls flow of electric current. It is made of three-layer semiconductor material, either P-type or N-type. There are two main types of bipolar transistor, NPN and PNP. The three parts of a transistor are: the first one is emitter. Function of emitter is emit charge carriers. The second is base. Function of base is controls the number of carriers. The last one is collector. Function of collector is collects the carriers from the emitter.
The BD135 is a semiconductor device known as a BJT or bipolar junction transistor. It has three layers: NPN and three terminals: base, collector, and emitter. This transistor is mainly used to amplify a signal or act as a switch in electronic circuit. Common applications include audio amplifiers and motor control. In short, it helps control and boost current flow efficiently.
Now I'll explain the type and terminals of transistor BD140. First, we reverse polarity of multimeter and set it to times 10 ohms. Then we take black probe to the third leg of transistor, which is base, and black probe to the two other legs, collector and emitter. We get value. When we reverse the connection, we get no value, meaning this is a PNP transistor.
Now I will explain the type and terminals of transistor BC109. First, we reverse polarity of multimeter and set it up to 10 ohms. Then we take red probe to second leg of transistor, which is base, and black probe to the two other legs, collector and emitter. We get value. When we reverse the connection, we get no value, meaning this is a NPN transistor.
I explain about type and terminal of transistor 2N2222A. We reverse polarity of multimeter and set it to 10 ohms. Then we take red probe to second leg of transistor, which is base, and black probe to the other leg, collector and emitter. And then we get value. When we reverse the connection, we get no value, meaning this is NPN transistor.
Now, I will explain about the terminals and types of transistor of BD135. First, we set the multimeter to multiply 10 ohms and reverse polarity. Then, we take red probe to third leg of transistor, which is base, and black probe to the two other legs, collector and emitter. We get value. When we reverse the connection, we get no value, meaning this is NPN transistor.